Mom's busy watching TV.
Your crispy-licious favorite, Jollibee chicken.
Whatever is being described, or whoever is being described, indicates that he or she has the likeness, or it has the likeness or resemblance of the noun that mala is affixed to. Example, mama ay
Mala
mala,
rosas
malarosas.
ang kanyang pisngi.
So, translate it.
Kulay rosas,
No, that's another Tagalog.
rosy cheeks.
There you go.
Bakit na umapapaw?
Ang ganda ng mama ko, oh. Malaanghel ang mukha.
Nako,
Look at that. Malaanghel.
ano, kumula nga ito sa araw.
Malaanghel.
Overflowing with
Mama?
ube halaya.
Did you see my best friend's house sa Pilipinas?
You deserve it. Red ribbon, ube overload.
Best friend.
Yeah, did you see my best friend's house sa Pilipinas?
Oo.
And the photo?
Di ba? Saan?
Malapalasyo.
Mm,
Malapalasyo.
patingin?
What is it?
Patingin
Nang
ng litrato.
litrato o larawan?
U.S. theaters
Larawan, litrato, pareho.
facts that the health concerns
Mom is not mad.
worry no more.
You're not galit? This one. I have an advice for you, Mama. Don't make Papa mad. Malatigre siya kung magalit.
Mm,
Don't make Papa mad. Malatigre siya. Malatigre siya kung magalit. Ayun lang. That's all. Anong gusto nyo?
wala ka naman ako.
Oh my goodness.
Baka kasi makunan ako. Wala nang malit-lit dyan? Wala nang malit-lit?
Ikaw naman, oh. Talag ka naman, ay. Ako.